Okay, let's see here. I don't even know what this comes with. I'm not even gonna bother to read what's included like in this. There's like a lot of text going on. So we're just gonna open it. And this was the easiest box I've ever had to open on this channel. Skipping all the text that's on the flaps, fine. We got the instruction manual and I wonder what this is. Whoa. Always place hot air fryer lid on protection pad. So I guess when you take off the lid, this is where you would put it down on. Cool, that's nice and nifty. Okay, this must be like a replacement piece for the air frying. We'll open that in a little bit when I figure out the rest of the pieces here. Ooh, okay. Oh, nice. So it huh? Okay, this comes off. So I guess this is like a little base for your little attachment that goes inside your Instant Pot. So it's a nice little holder that I'm guessing you place this inside your Instant Pot. But we will have to verify that in a second. Keep going. Next. Oh, this is heavy. And I think that's everything. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so here is the lid. Wow. Oh, there's a lot going on under there. So there's that. So I'm still not really sure what this is right away. Maybe this. We'll have to read the directions on that. Okay, so this is the lid. It's actually pretty heavy. Got some weight to it. I think that's where the air fry coil is in the bottom. And then at the top, there's these functions here. So I guess when you're using your Instant Pot, you have to plug the lid in. You have to plug the lid in. So there's options for air fry, broil, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. You make jerky. And then there's a time and temperature. So this might just be a spare piece, but let's take a look at the instructions. Air fry lid, getting started guide. On the back of the lid, this is where the air comes in for the air fry, and then this is where the heat comes out of. The air vent, and then this is air intake. Underneath the lid, this piece here is the element cover, and then inside is the heating element. So it definitely has some sort of like protection, because inside there's just like this coil underneath this lid here. You know, you don't want to burn yourself on that. Smart. This piece here that I was like, what is this? This is actually a tray for broiling or dehydrating. So this is where you put inside of your Instant Pot, and it doesn't necessarily go with this. So you place this inside the Instant Pot. This is sort of the base for the tray that you put inside, and then you just put the tray on top. And then this right here is the air fryer basket. And this is where you would put your lid when you remove it. Voila. Alright y'all, so I read the instructions. Seems easy enough. You can use your Instant Pot to pressure cook first and then change the attachments on the lids to air fry after, or you could go straight into air frying using the air fry lid. One of the big tips they definitely make sure is that you unplug your Instant Pot before you plug in your air fry lid. I saw it in their guidebook at least 3 times where it's in like bold and like make sure to unplug your Instant Pot before plugging in the air fry. So just keep that in mind. So let's give this a quick little try, shall we? Okie dokie, y'all. I already have some chicken that's marinated and pre-oiled for this video, so I'm going to be skipping that and going straight into the cooking. So here we got our Instant Pot. I already washed our air fry accessories, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this accessory on the base, and then just give this air fry an open. Take off the original lid and the cord that I store inside of there, and then I'm just going to put this accessory piece directly into the base. There's nothing inside the Instant Pot but the base that goes inside the device and then the accessory here. Next, I'm gonna load up our little accessory kit with some chicken wings. And you don't want to stuff it too much, just so that there is space for it to cook. So I'm going to just go ahead for now and put about 3 wings in there. So we got our chicken wings inside the basket, looking good. Alright, next I'm just going to take this lid. This is going to be my first time using it, so let's see here. You just put it on top? Oh, okay. So it's, maybe you're supposed to lock it into place. Uh-oh. We can't reach our plug, so we're going to have to scoot over a little bit. Just so you guys visually see it, I've only placed it on top. It's supposed to make a noise. Okay, you literally just... Okay, so it's off. Huh. Okay, so it's on. So literally by putting it, you just place it on top. Jeez, what is going on with this focus though? Hello? Okay, dokie. So let's go ahead and click air fry, and we're gonna wanna air fry that for, oopsies. Let's bring it down to 380 for 22 minutes. And let's go ahead and click start. First, we're gonna run it with nothing inside first, so let's get the cap on. Okay, and let's just give this a air fry and start. Run that for a couple minutes just to kill any germs. Forgot about that, to be honest. So I've been running this for about like 7 minutes or so. I'm just gonna go ahead and just cancel real quick. And you know, that was a good first run. To clear off any of those initial germs on the lid, right? So next, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this pot, place it inside. Careful, that's hot. Put this lid back on. That's on? That's crazy. It hella doesn't look on. Oh man, that's wild. Okay, so it's been about halfway, like about 11 minutes, and now there's this notification to basically turn the food. That's cool. So I guess do I just do the thing, take it off? Ooh, it's looking pretty good. All right, let's give that a turn. Cool, cool. All right, let's go return it back. And it just resumes. Perfect. Got our end cool down notification. After that cool down period, it finally says end. So let's give this a look. Ooh, yummy. It doesn't look too crispy. It looks pretty good still. So what I'm gonna do, just flip these over real quickly. And then we're gonna blast this at 400 for another 5 minutes. Cool, alright, so that's done. Let's move this lid and take this off. Ooh. Yes, smells good. Nice. Okay, y'all, here is the first chicken that we made in the new air fryer. It's a little bit darker because I did use soy sauce in the marinade. So let's give it a try, shall we? Ah, it's still hot. Ooh. That's super gooey. Hot, hot. So the skin's not hella crispy, but I wonder if it's just because of the marinade. But It still tastes good. It's not dry at all. Here's the skin. A little crunch to that. It's still good. Alright, well, here's the chicken made in the air fryer. Here's the chicken made in the air fryer. Attachment of the Instant Pot. Alright, later, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so juicy. Hot.